Hello everyone, my name is Harsha. I am from Computer Science and Engineering branch, studying at IAR. So today's topic is building better hash functions. So let's explore the crucial role of hash functions in computer science and the quest for improvements. This is by Harsha K. That's me. And my roll number is 2397805. So comment next slide. Introduction to hash functions. Efficient data indexing. So what is meant by efficient data indexing means rapidly locate data within large data sets. So it will rapidly allocate data in large data sets. Second one is data integrity verification. So it will ensure data has not been tampered with. Coming to next one, password security. So storing insensitive information securely. So for example, if you enter a password, it will store in the hash key values. It's not if you enter 12356, it will not store 12356. It will store like at the rate A12, at the rate B12 like this. So by this, hacking is very tough. Next one, collision resistance, minimizing the chance of two different the same hash. So there will be in the world there will be no two hashes for one password. Only for a single password there will be single hash, and that's fixed. So coming to next, the properties of effective hash functions. So the property is deterministic. The same input always yields the same output. Coming to next, uniform distribution. Hashes are evenly distributed across the output space. Coming to next one, preimage resistance. Difficult to find the original input from its hash. So according to these three properties, we can conclude it. So first one is, if I tell in an easy and understandable way. So first one, there will never be two same hashes. There may be a two same passwords, but there will never be two same hashes. First point. Second point, always the hashes will be in a unique way. Hence, they will not store the same information in the one value. They will store in different values. So coming to next one, it is very difficult to hack a password because it is stored in hash key values. Uh, means in future it may be become easy to hack, so we need to find out any other way. So at present condition, it is very difficult. Coming to next one, limitations of common hash algorithms. So there are one limitations. There, first one is MD5, vulnerable to collisions, making it unsuitable for cryptography. So it is unsuitable for cryptography. Second one is SHA1, considered weak but still widely used in older applications. That's why, as I told you before, it is weak now. It is weak now, but in the it is weak now, and in the it's also it is weak. Sorry. So next limitation is SHA 256, currently considered secure, but future vulnerabilities are possible. As I told, in the future, future is going to make change in everything, even including hash key values. So it's better to find another way. Uh, so coming to next slide, improving hash function performance. So we can include various techniques to improve. We can enlarge the size. If you, for example, they will ask to enter at least the password should be greater than 8 letters using the underscore and at the rate symbol, etc., etc. So basically what happens means it is the hash key code will be very large. So to find that large heavy hash code, it will be very difficult. So it is the one technique. Second one is parallel processing. Leverage multiple cores to speed up calculations. Next one is hardware acceleration. Utilize specialized hardware for faster hashing. So there will be some software, some hardware for specific things. So for hash key values, there is any hardware. So coming to the next slide, cryptographic hashing versus non-cryptographic hashing. So what is cryptographic hashing and what is non-cryptographic hashing means? The future, the cryptographic security focus is high, but non-cryptographic security focus is low. Next, collision resistance is essential for cryptographic. The collision resistance is less important for non-cryptographic. Applications are digital signatures and passwords for cryptographic, and for a non-cryptographic, data indexing and database. So coming to the next slide, exploring new hash functions designs. So here are some new hash functions and designs. Let's explore them. Symmetric key cryptography, utilized utilizing shared keys for encryption and decryption. Next one is asymmetric key cryptography, using separate keys for encryption and decryption. Next, hash-based signatures, verifying all digital signatures using hash functions. Next, fourth one is blockchain technology. Blockchain technology is utilizing hashing for secure and transparent record keeping. So, coming to the next slide. Benchmarking and evaluating hash functions. So, in the right side graph, you can see they are benchmarking and evaluating hash functions. So, first one is performance measurement. So, the performance is access speed, efficiency, and resource consumption. So coming to second one, collision testing. Identify potential vulnerabilities and weaknesses. Next one is security analysis. Evaluate resistance to attacks and a crypto analysis. Coming to next slide. Conclusion and future considerations. So the conclusion is quantum computing, potential impact on hash function security. Next, continued research. New algorithms and designs are contributed. So coming to the last slide. Thank you for spending your valuable time with me and listening my idea. So what happens is nowadays we are entering a password. For example, our password is 1234 IARE. If our password is 1234 IARE, it will be stored in the server in the hash key value function. Like it will, it maybe start with at the rate, it maybe start with 0, it maybe start with 7. Anybody don't know. The computer automatically, not the computer, the database will automatically convert our password into any hash key value, and then it will store the hash key value. It remember, this is a very important point. The database never store our password. The database never store our password. Our password will be encrypted with us, and it will be decrypted by the server. And when we enter our password server will go to the data server, and it will match our password with their hash key value. And then after matching with the hash key value, then it will pass. Yeah, the hash key value is corrupted. Then it will show. So thank you.